In this lecture, we will learn how to clone a Git repository to our system. Cloning a Git repository to our system means downloading the repository to our local system so we can browse the files and the directories of the repository, and we can also make changes to the content of the repository. So the first step to clone a Git repository is to identify the repository that we want to clone. For example, here I have a few repositories that I have created. Let's say, for example, that we want to clone this repository. Okay, so let's open the repository. So here we have the content of the repository. So here we have some folders, and here we have the README file. Okay, to clone this repository, we click here on this green button. So here we can switch between HTTPS or GitHub CLI. We will choose HTTPS, and then we will copy this link by clicking here on this icon. So now let's go back to the terminal. So now if we list the content of the current directory, so we have only this folder, it is called my project. Now to clone this repository, we will use the git clone command followed by the URL that we have copied. Okay, so let's paste the repository URL. So now let's press enter. So now let's start cloning the repository, and here it says that the repository was 100% cloned. Okay, so now if we execute the ls command again, so now we have a new folder, and inside this folder we have the content of the repository that we have cloned. Okay, so let's see what we have in the repository that we have cloned. So now when moving to this folder, we have this green marker, and that's because this is a Git repository. Okay, so let's see what we have in this repository. So here we have 4 folders and one file called readme.md. Okay, it has exactly the same content of the repository that we have here. So look, here we have 4 folders and a readme file. So it is exactly the same content of the repository that we have here in GitHub. So that's how we can clone a Git repository. I hope that everything is clear. Thank you very much, and we will continue in the upcoming lectures.